Welcome to my classroom. Today I shall tell a story for you. All of us like to hear stories, isn't it? Yes. This is a very small story, okay? Once there lived a king. He had a daughter. The king believed that education is the most important wealth that he can give to his daughter. കേട്ടിട്ടില്ലേ വിദ്യാധനം സർവധനാൽ പ്രധാനം. The king believed in that. So he wished to have his daughter educated by the most elite scholar in his kingdom. He shared his wish to his minister, so minister made an announcement regarding the same. After hearing the announcement, some scholars came forward to get the post of the teacher in the palace. So one day all the scholars they assembled in a hall in the palace. So the king and minister came. King addressed these scholars, and one of the scholars asked the king how old be the princess was. Then the king's answer was like this: when you multiply my daughter's age to the same number, you will get 9 times of her present age. After hearing this, one of the scholars named Ganesh instantly calculated the age and said that the princess was 9 years. Hearing the correct answer from Ganesh, king praised the knowledge of Ganesh and appointed him as the teacher of the princess. Can you tell me how Ganesh would have arrived at the answer? Let us see. Ganesh converted the statement given by the king into a mathematical statement. Let us see his work. Okay, take the age of the daughter be x, multiply by same number, get 9 into x. Okay, so this x is, let age be x. So you will get x is equal to 9 from there. Okay, that is the way that he would have arrived at the answer. Okay, but this is an equation. So this equation has one more answer. We will discuss that later. Okay, this is actually x square is equal to 9x. That means x square minus 9x is equal to 0. So this is an algebraic equation. Okay, so take 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This is an equation, but it is a numerical equation because in this equation all the terms are numbers. But when you write like this, that means when you write literal numbers along with the numerals, this equation becomes a algebraic equation. Now this is an algebraic equation. Okay, then this is an algebraic equation, and what is the power of the variable here? Power of the variable here is 1. So the degree of this equation is 1 here. The highest power of the variable is the degree of that equation. Here power of the variable is 1. So this equation has a degree 1, or another name, this is linear equation. Equation having degree 1, that is linear equation. Look at this equation. What is the degree of this equation? This equation, here the power is 1, here the power is 2. What is the highest power of the variable here? The highest power is 2 there. So this is an equation having degree 2. Degree 2. Okay, let us take one more example. Take this equation. What is the degree of the equation there? What is the power of the variable? First term power is 1, the second term power is 2. What is the highest power there? Highest power is 2. So degree of the equation is 2, degree 2. So these types of equation, that means the equation, algebraic equations having degree 2 are known as quadratic equations. Okay? Today's topic is quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? An algebraic equation of degree 2 is known as a quadratic equation. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? Look at the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a naught is equal to 0. Let us see some more examples of quadratic equation. Okay? See, I have written 3 equations here. X square plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. Is this equation in its standard form? Check. See, first term is x square term, then x term, then constant term. Okay, correct. Now, here first term is y square term, then constant term, then the y term is in the other side of the equation. This is not in the standard form. So, how will you make this into its standard form? Y square, then bring this 5y to this side, then plus 3 is equal to, then this side becomes 0. Yes. See this equation. Is this a quadratic equation? What is the coefficient of y square term? Coefficient of y square there? 0. So, this equation turns to another equation, 10y is equal to 9g. This is not a quadratic equation. So, here the real numbers and a naught is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a should not be equal to 0. This value should not be 0. Here that value is 0, then the equation turns to another type of equation. So, this is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Take another example. Okay. X square plus 5x is equal to x plus 1 the whole square. This equation appears to be a quadratic equation, but we have to check it because we have to simplify this part. Let us check. X square plus 5x is equal to a plus b the whole square form, x square plus 2x plus 1. This x square plus 5x, bring all the terms to this side, minus x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, this equation becomes 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This equation appears to be a quadratic equation, but actually that is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. So, if the question is to check whether the equation is quadratic or not, you should simplify the equation and write the equation in its standard form, then only you can say that whether the equation is quadratic or not. Okay, I think this is clear to you.